Microvision technical analysis, fundamental statistics, a huge catalyst today, as we can see. I mean, I'm in the 5 minute chart right now, guys, along with my current positions and my price targets for Microvision, along with several other stocks. Starting out right off with the price action, okay, guys. Let's just, I just want to celebrate a little bit firstly. We're up 54% after hours. Okay, check out my last Microvision video. Fact checked what I'm saying. I did call this. No, I didn't call this exact, this is going to happen at this exact second in time. No, I didn't call that. Okay. I did call my price target, and this is, we're at, what are we at? 2163 right now. Okay. Let's just fast forward to the end of the video real fast. My end of year price target is 60. $30 is my end of year safe price target. This was $10 when I recommended this February 4th close. I posted this on February 5th, going over my exact price targets for all these stocks. AGTC is new. Okay. But okay, this just goes to show you, I'm not saying I know everything. This is not financial advice, but as non-financial advice, it's pretty darn accurate in my opinion. Okay, let's actually go over some price action. Okay, we don't have much to go over except the Fibonacci. Okay, there's really not much to dissect. But if you are looking for an entry point, personally, there's going to be those people on Weeble that's just like, just get in, man. It doesn't matter. Just buy it now. What are you talking about? It's going to go up. Yeah, it'll go up long term, but I think you get a better price in this. Okay, let's just look at this on a 1 hour chart real quick. Look how much it's gone up. Okay, my average is 9.5. Okay, I already took profits on this. I actually got in on this at 7. I've already made well over 100% on the stock. But yeah, I did take profits yesterday, and I did add a little more on the dip today. Wish I added more, obviously, but I'm not complaining. So let's take a look on the 5 minute chart. We are holding this 23.6% retracement fairly nicely. Okay, this is insanely bullish if we can actually hold this going into the open tomorrow. I would expect a run higher, but be careful because any move that's like this, okay, we're up 53% currently after hours, and this is not like it's out of the blue. Okay, obviously we've been going up consistently the last couple of days too. Let's take a look at this daily chart. Okay, look at this insane upward trend. Okay, look at this. We're at 720. Okay, roughly when I got in. Okay, I got in right around here. Boom, I basically perfectly timed it. Okay, this is basically luck. Okay, I did my due diligence. I knew this was going up long term, and my month out price target, I knew those had an incredibly high probability. I did not know we were just going to instantly rocket there, but I'm not complaining. Never complain when you're in the green, my friends. But personally, this is me. I like the RSI indicator. Let's check it on the 1 hour. We're looking at 77 daily. We're looking at 95. Wait, okay, no, not 95. That's okay. This is 95, but we are still incredibly overbought. 78, 85. But yeah, somehow we are going down. I guess okay, this isn't taking into account the after hours, but yeah, we are extremely overbought in my opinion. But this is an amazing stock, okay? And we did have a very important and significant catalyst that we were about to go over. Okay, so it is justified, absolutely. But if it was me and I did not have my position established in this, I would wait for a small pullback, potential entry points. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour chart actually to see potential entry points. Let's get rid of this, clean up this chart a little bit. Okay. Okay, actually, on second thought, I don't think you're going to get an entry point unless this just dips an insane amount. Because let's zoom out a little bit. This was the upward trend that we were trading in right here, and now we're pretty much we're just, yeah. I mean, this is what happens when a catalyst like that comes out that we're about to discuss. But if this does come back to $12 range, obviously load up shares, but more immediately, this 1440 to 1340, this range right here of a dollar roughly, that's going to treat you very well in my opinion in the future, especially long term. Okay, you might as well. Also, guys, with this stock, if you want to just say screw it, I'm tired of missing out, fear of missing out, you're just gonna succumb to the fear of missing out. I don't recommend that. It's not financial advice. I do not recommend that at all, though. But if you do get in on this when it pulls back a little bit, like a small amount, don't go all in on the first order. Okay, don't dollar cost average, please. I don't like that. I'm not Dave Ramsey. Trust me, I'm not going to go Dave Ramsey on you anytime soon. But averaging in a couple times in a couple days, timing is good. Don't just randomly do it like Dave Ramsey said. I think that is a horribly dumb and dehumanizing strategy where you just go in once every day, no matter if it's green or red. Like anyone in the world that is competent and can walk can make their average cost better just by going in on the red days and not going in on the green days. But no, that's what Dave Ramsey and all these other smart millionaires say to do. Don't do that, please. Okay. So what that rant was about was wait to go all in. If you're going to go all in, at least wait for one of these support levels, or even wait for let's take a look at the 1 hour, 200-day exponential moving average. Okay, wait. Okay, that's way down there. Okay, well, we're extremely overbought. Okay, this is what you get with a stock that's up 54% over hours and 100%, 120% gain in the last uh 2 weeks ish. Okay, that's what we're looking at as far as the technicals. Fundamental statistics, short interest 15%. Okay, these guys are covering as we speak. A lot of them have probably covered already. If they don't have Weeble, imagine if you're shorting a stock and you can't buy back and you can't cover after hours or pre-market. Okay, that is a horrible idea. That's why you should use Weeble. Quick plug right there. But institutional ownership, fairly high, 15%. It's a good sign. Insider trading, okay, this is actually very surprising for me. Y'all know I love the insider trading, insider ownership statistic. This is not really this isn't low. I'd say this is probably slightly higher than average, maybe. I would say 2 to 3% is probably average based on the ones that I see. So, I would expect this to be higher, but it is what it is. Maybe they just have people that like Dave Ramsey and don't like investing in stocks because the S&P is what they believe in. That's, not what I believe, but that's fine. Okay, this is the catalyst that came out like 3 hours ago. Okay, this is amazing. Okay, basically, I'm going to link this in the description. There's a ton of awesome information here. It goes on, it's pretty long, but this is the key takeaway that I had. Okay, just lost it. Okay, right here. This sensor would accelerate development of level 3 autonomous safety and level 4 autonomous driving features that are important to potential customers and interested parties. Okay, I went over the autonomous driving advancements in their technology, LiDAR technology, in the last microvision video. I'm not going to repeat it all, but definitely give that video a chance if you are not a shareholder and are thinking about getting in. This company has insane potential. What kind of a potential exactly? Well, let's see what my price targets are. End of year safe price target $30, guys. We've almost already hit that. What are we currently trading at? Let me see here. I forgot. Let me see. 21.7. Okay, we're already a third of the way there, or we're already 2/3 of the way there, I guess. We're halfway there based on this February 4th close. Okay, we're halfway there in less than a week. I posted this over the weekend. February 5th is when I posted this. We're already halfway to the price target, guys. BioLace, we've almost hit that. Mara, we've already hit that. I've already taken profits on this. BioNano, we're getting closer to hitting that. And according to my last video, price target is insanely high, even higher than this for the next week of trading days, let alone March 4th. We're probably going to be even higher by then. Materials Corporation, we've already hit that. I've already taken profits. Looking to re-enter on that. No one knows about the stock, but this is a hidden gem in my opinion. Nano Dimension, we're getting very close to hitting this. Plenty of time to hit it. Okay, what are we at? Like 15, 16-ish on Nano Dimension. Let's check exactly. Okay, 16. Okay, we're up 3% after hours. That's what I'm talking about. AGTC just did a video on this. This is an amazing stock. This is similar to Materials Corporation, kind of a hidden gem, but these are all my opinions. This is not financial advice, but it is non-financial advice, but definitely give it a strong consideration based on my past performance. Okay, you can check out all the other videos. Fact checked all this. I recommend you fact check. Don't just blindly believe me. Go fact check, see if I'm actually telling the truth here. Okay, first video is the one where I detailed these price targets. Okay, relevant information in regards to the title has finished now. Feel free to click off if you have better things to do, my friends. Extra useful information not very related to the title. Helpful tips. The future of likes and subs. I will never ask for likes or subs during the video. I'm the only YouTuber I think ever. I'm certainly the only YouTuber that I know of that never will ask for likes or subs ever during the video. I consider this after the video because this is about as transparent and clear as anyone can be, in my opinion. This is going to be the irrelevant stuff. Okay, that's my plan. The future. I'm also never gonna put ads on these videos. I hope you guys appreciate that. Buying power, guys. This is important. I should have been talking about this for a while. I should have started talking about this for a while. Okay, this is important. Keep buying power on the side ready. We are at extremely overbought levels. Let's take a look real quick at the S&P 500. Okay, this is the Vanguard S&P 500 fund. It basically it tracks the S&P 500 basically exactly almost. Okay, um, guys, let's take a look at the daily. This is where we're at since the crash. We've recovered a lot. We are fairly overbought. Let's take a look at the RSI. We're almost overbought. We're at 64, and this is because we had a quick little. Last week was pretty insane, but that's the only reason why we're not extremely overbought. Okay, um, so have a little bit of buying power. For me, I have almost. I have like I don't know, like a fourth or a fifth of my buying power of my portfolio is buying power. Okay, that's how much. That's how serious I am about this. Because guys, there's opportunities every day in the markets. Okay, let's take a look at my main watch list. Okay, look at all these stocks that are down. One that I'm thinking about currently, a couple that I'm thinking about is this one, BCRX. I'm thinking about that one. I almost bought that today. I also almost bought this today. Okay, these are two stocks that I'm considering. Okay, you got to have buying power because if you don't, also, actually, this is even more. This is a better example. AGTC. Okay, I bought this today. Let's take a look at it really, really fast on the 1 hour chart. I bought this today, like right in here. Okay, this is an example of why you want buying power on the side so you can take advantage of the opportunities like this. Okay, all right. So that's what we're looking at. Um, Growth stocks. Okay, my opinion on growth stocks, highly overrated. I do not this is not financial advice. Do whatever you want. If your risk tolerance is low and you've got a substantial sum of capital and you want to invest in growth stocks that you're super bullish on, that's a good decision if it's what you think. Personally, I hate growth stocks. Typically, the standard definition of a growth stock is something that you can safely put your money in, and you're going to be, getting low returns, but it's going to be safe and it's going to be consistent. Okay, this is similar to investing in the S&P 500, in my opinion. You may get slightly higher returns than S&P, but in my opinion, investing in stuff like this, if you can stomach the risk, and I don't recommend just getting an account and your first investment is BioLace. Like I don't invest penny stocks like this. Okay, this is a penny stock. Okay, I don't recommend that. But once you know a little bit, and once you watch these videos for a couple weeks, couple days, if you're really into it, a couple days will work. You can learn this stuff in a couple of days, guys. It's not very complicated stuff, especially if you're holding long term. This is why I don't like growth stocks. Okay, you can easily beat the market and easily beat whatever growth stock Dave Ramsey, or not even Dave Ramsey is too low risk for that. Whoever wants to push growth stocks. Okay, I'm not like Apple, Tesla, even okay. Tesla's kind of defied all rules, but stocks like Apple, Neo, uh, Square, PayPal. I'm not a fan of these stocks. If you want a little bit of your portfolio to be that, that's you. Do your own thing. Not for me though, personally. Okay, this is all the same stuff. Reddit, Twitter, follow your stocks. Free stocks available in the description. Pre-market after hour trading with Webull. Do it is the best, my opinion. Comment what stocks you need to cover next. Open a Roth IRA is in your best interest, my friends. Comment any questions. I will answer them. I promise you. Unless I start just blowing up, right? That is a possibility. Robinhood, last Bio Nano video. If you want to see what this is about, check the last Bio Nano video. Thank you so much, and I will see you, my friends, in the next one.